What are the benefits to off-grid camping? Hi, I'm Jaclyn from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and we're going to talk about 5 great benefits to off-grid camping. One is independence. Off-grid camping allows you to really break free of the constraints of the caravan park and really gives you a great sense of self-sufficiency. 2, remote locations. Off-grid camping allows you to really go out and stay and explore really remote and secluded locations that are not serviced by caravan parks or any other sort of tourist mode of operation. 3, peace and serenity. Off-grid, think about it as no people or very few, get away from the rat race, calm right down and really enjoy the peace and serenity. 4 is the connection with nature. Because you're off-grid, you are relying on the elements and nature around you to help complete your camping experience. 5 is reduced costs. By camping off-grid, you can potentially save money on campsite fees and caravan park fees. So thanks for listening. Again, Jaclyn at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. We're always here to help. Please give us a like and subscribe and follow for more great tips.